Away they go. Purely Kali running by Drell. Alongside his proud legacy, James in the middle. And moving up by Drell is Beautiful Miss to grab the lead. It's now Beautiful Miss followed by Proud Legacy in second. James racing in third by another 2 lengths running by Drell is Purely Kali, and Pilio is running at the tail of the field by about 10 or 11 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Beautiful Miss by about 3 lengths, followed by Proud Legacy in second. James remains in third by about 5 lengths, Purely Kali and Pilio. As they race the last 550, Beautiful Miss by only a length and a half. Proud Legacy is racing on the outside, also moving up by Drell is James as they race the last 250. Proud Legacy, Beautiful Miss, James is moving up by Drell. It's now James, Proud Legacy, and in the middle is Beautiful Miss, Purely Kali, and nearing the last 100 meters more to run. This race belongs to entry number 4, James. Second, Proud Legacy. Close for third, Beautiful Miss, Purely Kali, and Pilio comes last.
4-5.